There he is. There he is. Oh, I just knocked something over. Snap. That's cool. Alright, okay. Hi. Hi. Hola. Hola. Hello. Hello. So apparently this dude's, as they put it, macho. Because, he doesn't really like guys. Like, he's not talkative with them or friendly with them or anything. But you get a lady walk over here, he will start talking, start flirting, maybe tell some clever jokes. This dude crazy. And then this dude, what's your name, boy? What's your name? Apparently they used to keep this one locked in the cage all the time, but now they don't even bother shutting the door because he can open it himself. And they're pretty sure he was trying to get with this one over here, because one day he like opened the door, came out, opened this one's door, and tried to get that one out. This dude over here, he's bad news, bad. And then I think there's another one over here. I think hay otra por aquí. I'm starting to forget to differentiate between English and Spanish. But this is a little cutie. He's so afraid of the camera. Yes, he is. Hey. Hi. But yeah. Oh, and we also feed the neighborhood flies. Or gnats, whatever those are. Gotta keep them happy, you know? We like all kinds around here. But yeah, fun stuff. Cool pets. Peace out.